reason this is unique is because it's a completely different perspective on medicine. It really is going back to the roots of metabolic processes. It's going back to the roots of healthcare. Like today with the gut microbiome, taking a look at what we already have, the processes that we already have in our body. What can we eat? What can we put into our body to help our body take care of itself in the way that it has over millions of years? And so after the research, I kind of geared myself in that direction within my biology degree, and then became really close with the School of Medicine here, connected with them, connected with Reina, and then just started to create a curriculum from the ground up pretty much. I'm talking about good old-fashioned fiber that comes from fruits and vegetables. They took mice, not a biotic mice, so no germ-free mice, and they gave them some of the gut bacteria of obese people. Long story short, lean mice got obese. Okay, if microbes are so important, if they are so important in regulating all these body systems, is there a particular bacterial species that represents a healthy gut? Is that sense of community what makes it so easy for me to collaborate with people like Reina Nash and a lot of the professors and deans of the medical school. And since the beginning, everybody has treated me kind of like in that familial sense, all very close, very welcoming. And so that's a big reason of why I was even able to feel comfortable enough to start talking about the things that I was passionate about. Maybe one or two other schools that we know of are even doing anything similar to this.
And so my passion is really in integrative and preventative medicine, utilizing diet and exercise as a form of medication, or actually prescribing patients with diet and exercise plans to help mitigate chronic diseases such as hypertension, dyslipidemia, atherosclerosis, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, you name it. And that's really what we're trying to do here with this nutrition initiative, is to promote wellness to our patients, to even our future physician workforce as a whole who don't get a huge knowledge base of nutritional sciences, so that we can promote the health and wellness of Nevada.